biggest muscles of anyone around. Smoked cigarettes and had a mustache at 15. He didn't have much education, but I liked his philosophy. To me, he was the hero of the three.
We are out here on this Ditto, and it's raining. There's Jerk'em Jaws. There's Jerk'em Jaws. Got water going on.
What's happening?
Doing cinematic. Somebody's shooting off something.
What about it there, audience? We've been out here at Ditto, like Kevin told you. Out here fishing.
Where'd the guard go?
It was out there.
I'll get him out of there. What'd you get?
Got us a brim. We've been catching them probably about 100,000 times bigger than that all day. We've just been low on battery camera.
That's it.
Just showing y'all we out here doing what we say we do. Fish
So
on.
this catfish, when I catch it over here, I got one propped up.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this big old monster back.
Man, you better be careful. Somebody's
Right,
gonna pull you in.
There it is. I had a guard chasing my brim.
Well,
Beats all ever seen.
should left that on there.
Well, I tried to let it
Here it is.
hook it.
It's right over there.
Yeah.
Let me go get my rig.
Alright. How y'all doing, viewers out there? We're gonna start something new over here on Fish On, the how-to corner. And we've been showing y'all we catch fish, but I guess we need to let y'all know how to catch them. So we're gonna span it on around there to Kevin. Kevin's gonna tell you a little bit what he's doing.
I'm not sure if he can catch a lot of them doing this. We got this lure right here. It's really lightweight. It's been in that tackle box for years, and I'm sure it's some kind of crappie jig or something. So we're going to take it, we're going to float it out here on top of this water over here, since we got stuff jumping around everywhere.
Look at that.
And got those Zepco 33. I give Zepco the props, and this probably ain't the right rod and reel for this lure. But
We're just going to adapt. We're going to show y'all how to adapt.
It's raining.
Raining out here. Hopefully these fish will pop that top line.
I'm gonna take it, and it kind of, then the technique kind of leads into another technique that you might have to use later on. Can't get it back. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go. We got it right there.
Perfect.
See it?
Yeah, we got it.
Something jumped over. It might scare the fish, but I
Dude, show you how to work it. Look at it. Work it through there. Just stop it.
just kind of jumping around there. It don't take real long to do it since you don't get it out there that far.
It's alright.
Alright, let's
Show
try
them
again.
technique one more time.
Right over there
Alright.
in that hole there.
Alright.
There we go. I think we got it out about maybe a foot or two further than last time.
Perfect.
But of course it's going to gravitate right to the grass.
Sorry, show them how to whoop it over. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Now this right here.
Normally this don't happen so close.
You getting 2 how-tos in one showing right here.
2 how-to. Is that the Loch Ness monster coming down the creek?
That's a duck, I think.
Look like no Nessie. Oh well.
Hold on. We're going. Yeah, it's a duck.
Nessie in there in
Alright.
Scotland. We call it old Trashy over here on the river. But yeah, today we're going to do a double because most of the time you're not in a spot to where you can get your lure back. Unless you're in a boat or something like that. But if you're on the bank fishing like we are and you get it hung up in one of these trees right here, most of the time you're going to lose it. But I've learned something over the years. You can take this thing like this and play with it a little while.
Whoop it.
We call it whooping it. Then you got, what's the old technique? Who did this here?
Oh, pop it.
Who did the popping?
I did
the
the popping.
Roland Martin.
Yeah.
Bill Dan. Well, I used to do the, oh, it worked.
Perfect.
And that worked.
Perfect. That's it. The whoop it right
now
there.
We got it on this one because I want
That's
to show you
alright.
a little close up.
Yeah.
Because you couldn't see it good over here.
Yeah.
So we whoop it. See? Just like that. Did y'all get that?
That's a good
Hold on, let me do it.
how-to.
Oh shit. Got it hung up. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna whoop it. This is part of it. I don't know. I have to slow it down when I edit.
Perfect.
Hold on. You gotta whoop it.
Perfect. Perfect. Alrighty,
Well,
viewers, we'll be back on another how-to video, and y'all just keep subscribing to us, and we'll holler back at y'all later on.
At the real
Hopefully
dojo.
with some fish
Real
at the real dojo.
Fish on.
Later. Fish on.
It's dark now. Well, we'd tried it over here, just goofing around at the Ditto. It got dark on us.
You know, once we break the porch ends out the
Time, ain't it?
churros, it's either time to go or it's time to head on in. We done showed y'all, started our first how-to today. A lot of ground being broken.
Yeah, it was kind of a multi thing because it was a how to and a how not to and how not want to.
But it got done.
And we out here at the overlook thing, just cruising around. Somebody over there with them vest on. Just cruising around there and let y'all see. We over in the, there's the old Whitesburg Bridge over there. Let's flip that camera around. Can't, I don't know why I don't do it while it's going. There's some dudes over there. But they got their reflectives on, I can see them. But there's the old Whitesburg Bridge. And we at the point of it, you can see, I got some pictures of it where the water's up to there, so that's usually how it is. It's got a little drop to it. Here at the old Ditto. There's the offices. There's the marina out over there. Oh, you gotta get your little video one in there.
Yeah, let's get that wheel.
Co-pilot.
See what we got. Let's get sun down. Pretty here in Huntsville. Couple of people out there.
Ditto Landing.
Right there's history's poured into port.
Night drive through the Ditto.
Yeah. Start building an immune for that stuff.
Everywhere you
There's
get your gas.
your gas and your snacks and all your goodies. We're just letting y'all see we're about to close this episode out of Fish On, and just wanted to let y'all see a little bit around what we see daily. got two sides to this. Got that over there. There's a good little spot. We've caught a many out.
And on Saturdays he'd sit at Grandpa's storehouse, tell of conquest while he drank a cold RC. He'd been drunk and he taught me all about women. To me he was a hero of the creek. The hero didn't care for those events that shaped the world. David Brinkley weighed not heavy on his mind.